Today is Wednesday, January 8th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. A lot of cold air in place, and now we're starting to hear these rumors, right, about a big storm system possible as we head into the weekend. We will address that here in just a few moments, but let's get started by talking about the very cold morning that we have underway across the entire Northeast. Today will be colder than it was yesterday for everyone. 25 this morning in the New York City metro, but it feels more like 15 to 20 because of that wind. The high temperature only 28 today, despite a lot of sunshine. And of course, there's still going to be that wind chill that'll keep you feeling closer to 20. That's what you should dress for, is highs probably closer to 20. And then we'll see those temperatures falling back into the mid-20s with clear skies later on this evening. Near the Great Lakes, we're still dealing with lake effect snow off generally a northwesterly flow, so in and around Syracuse down to Ithaca, Binghamton, heading west out toward maybe Canandaigua, that part of central New York, still lingering lake effect flurries and snow showers and some pretty icy roads at times and the more persistent snow bands. But look at these highs from Albany to Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo, only near 20 degrees, 31 degrees in Philly, barely at the freezing mark in Washington, D.C., still digging out from that snowstorm that we had earlier this week. A strong storm system in the southwest has been producing damaging wind gusts and very dangerous fire conditions in southwestern parts of the country, especially in Southern California, just north of LA. We have fast-moving wildfires that are going to be nearly impossible to outrun with wind gusts of 60 to 100 miles per hour. It's just crazy weather happening in that part of the country. And then that area of low pressure is going to move east. Cold air already in place. Major winter storm going to play out for the southern plains. That is a storm system that, as it takes the turn here, maybe tries to go up the eastern seaboard, could impact some of the big cities going into Saturday. So this is what the American GFS model is showing for the placement of an area of low pressure on Saturday. It's far enough away that we have a lot of cold air still in place, but it may be too far away for significant snow in New York City. The forecast models are bouncing around with the track of this thing, so that track obviously, and you hear this all the time, is going to determine how much snow we get. But either way, there's going to be a storm system well south of New York City, producing snow as we head into the start of the weekend. This is what we know as of right now. It is going to be cold enough for mainly snow, if not all snow. It is going to be a close call. Each model, although a little bit closer at times, still calls it a close call here for Saturday. The storm track is unusually far south for this time of the year because the cold air, the jet stream, is all the way down into the southern part of the United States. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 32 tomorrow, 37 on Friday. You know, things are looking good, right? And then here comes that storm system. It does look like it'll be mainly snow, some snow showers lingering into Sunday. Highs certainly better, at least to start early next week, with highs in the upper 30s for New York City. That is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great second half of this week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.